Okay, Carol. The next one that I took a look at was this one for 68. Um, I knew right off the bat is on a busy street. 88th Avenue is on a busy street. So just to take a closer look at that one, I went ahead and pulled up that neighborhood. So I actually cut it off right here because this is kind of a different neighborhood over here. So this is a busy street. So I went here, Thornton Parkway, Washington, and 88th, and just zeroing down on your property that you had. Well, there's a couple, and there's one for 94, one for 68. This is on a busy street. You can tell right away. If you want to Google Earth it, you can see that this is extremely busy street, but just zeroing out, you can tell that it's a busy street just by, all these are busy streets. Washington, 88th, Welby, and Thornton Parkway. So I went ahead and got rid of that one, but while I was there, I went and took a look at the what else is going on in the neighborhood, and there's a couple others in there that I went ahead and selected. I selected this 80,000, 94, and 104 just to take a closer look at them. And pulling up that report, there's a 104, it's 1,100 square foot. The 118, 1,600 square. Oops, let's go back up. 80,000 is 1,100 square foot. 104 is 1,100 square foot, and this one for 16 is 1,600 square foot for 118. So I went ahead and took a look at the solds. So I pulled up the high solds. I narrowed the search, just so you know what I'm doing here. I narrowed the search for total square footage to 900 to 1,350. These are the results I got on the high solds. So we got 152, 150, 149, and these are 1,300 square foot. These are the exact same houses. 1,176. Same here. So we got 149, 147, 145. So this one's pretty easy to plug in those values. Just 140, 145, 150. We're somewhere in that 75,000 range. So I offered 75,000 on this 104. This 80,000, if you just took a quick look at I always scan the remarks, and let me get to the right one. So this one for 80,000. It has it in bold. Usually if there's structural issues, they really make it stand out. This one has structural issues. So just going back to property has structural issues, decreased purchase price, 40,000 from low purchase price. I actually just did 20 because this is a much smaller house. You're not going to know that right off the bat, but you'll get a feel for that later. So I offered 65. Or actually, let's offer 60. So I found two more in that neighborhood to make offers on. So I'm not sure how those were missed, but I wanted to point those out so you can catch them on next time.